if you are the one who haven't yet decided how your preparation should go on and you are looking a career in design, so Ignite India is here. This is your coach Krishnan Singh. We mentor, we guide students. So you can contact the team for absolutely free counseling program if you are from class 8 to 12th grade you are in. Now here we are discussing about the study material which is exclusive for you on Ignite India app. You need to download the Ignite India app with the same logo right now, and in a free section you can get GK, math, reasoning, recorded sessions, a lot of downloaded video and content. And yes, if you found more interest to register and know more about Ignite classes, contact the Ignite India team. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, press the bell icon button to get a further information on Ignite India channel. Thank you.